Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today I'm going to show you how to use our stainless steel cleaning kit. It comes with two cloths, the cleaning cloth and the drying cloth. The cleaning cloth, how you know it's the cleaning cloth is there's a tag on the cloth and it says stainless steel. This is the cloth you're going to wet and then clean your stainless steel. After you've cleaned it, you're going to dry it with the glass and polishing cloth. The key thing about our stainless steel cloth is that there's stripes on the one side and a scrubbing mechanism for sticky fingers and anything sticky on your stainless steel. The other side is smooth and more for a polished stainless steel. So basically, you're gonna wet this cloth with water from your faucet, and then you're gonna clean it and then dry it with the glass and polishing cloth. Please don't put any cleaning solution on your stainless steel because it leaves smears on the stainless steel and they're actually very, very hard to get off. So we're so excited for you to try our stainless steel cleaning kit and use only water when you clean, and you'll be so happy with the result. After you've used your eCloth to clean a surface, you always want to rinse the cloth out really well under the faucet. And the reason for that is our eCloths are very good at getting up dirt and grime, better than anything you've ever used before. So you want to agitate the cloth a little bit and then rinse the cloth out with warm water. After I'm done with that, I usually take the cloth and drape it over my faucet. But you can put it out to dry wherever you'd like in your kitchen. And then when you need it again, you just take it back out, you wet it to activate the cloth, and then you clean. And then after you've used the cloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about eCloth.